Welcome to Dobby's Repairs. I'm Dobby the Fixing Elf, and this is what's in my toolbox, the series where I show you the tools I use to repair cars and fix things. So let's find out what's in my toolbox today. And in this instalment, we have this US.PRO Industrial 3974 10-piece impact socket set. So we get 10 sockets, it goes from 10 to 24. There are a few skips we don't have a 12, a 15 or a 16, but we've got all the rest of the sizes, or a 20 for that matter, but I don't know many people that use 20mm sockets. Yeah, they're fairly decent sockets. They're European style impact sockets as well, so I've got this little ridge inside them for a retaining pin. So you put a pin through here and then you put an O-ring or rubber band around here to hold it into your impact. It does work fairly well. I haven't used it all that often, but it's quite a cool design. Obviously fit onto your standard everyday sockets, 3/8 drives. Anything a 3/8 drive will fit onto still. That's designed mainly just to hold them on a bit firmer, a bit safer for when you use them. And yeah, they're pretty nice sockets. Well made, they're 6-point, which is great for impacts. And they're fairly decent depth, which is handy. Obviously you've seen them in action in my Ford C-Max clutch replacement video. So I'll pop a link up the top corner here for you to have a look at that if you want to. And yeah, I find them really useful, really handy. They've stood up to a lot of the abuse that I've given them. Really quite nice, because I am quite rough on tools sometimes. I've got a few scrapes and stuff. As you know, I've been using these as my deep sockets of choice for the last sort of 3 or 4 months. I'm really pleased with them. And yeah, they have lots of useful features. Obviously, they are fairly hefty compared to your standard chrome socket. They're quite nice. And they go on most of your bolts quite simply. And with not too much slop in there. You need a bit of slop with your impacts, or you can't get the full impacting power. But you're not too loose that you can't actually use them. Yeah, overall they're really nice and handy. And before I move on to my final thoughts about this lovely set of sockets, I'll just say that if there's any tools out there you'd like me to review, let me know in the comments down below, and I'll do my best to get a hold of them and review them for you. And while you're down there, don't forget to hit the like button. If you're new, consider subscribing. And yeah, this is quite a nice little set of sockets, and I'm going to move on to my final thoughts now. I found them really handy and really useful to use, and that's why I'm going to give them a 4-spanner rating, so 4 spanners will pop up as always. I almost forgot to mention it does come in this lovely foam holder, which is quite useful for keeping them organised, and very good for that. But yeah, if you're looking for a good set of impact sockets, I highly recommend these, as long as you don't need the sizes that are missing. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful or entertaining, don't forget to hit that like button. It really helps both the channel and me out. If you're new here, consider subscribing. I post 2 videos a week, so by subscribing, you'll never miss a thing. Got any questions or suggestions? Drop a comment down below, and I'll do my best to reply to everyone. Here at Dobby Repairs, we're all about helping you learn how to work on your vehicle safely and showing you don't need to spend a fortune on tools to get the job done. Want to support the channel further? Become a member, starting at just 99p. Members get perks like early access to videos and more exclusive content. Keep fixing, and I'll see you in the next one.